welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakshit Subramanya and today I'm going to be talking on my SCR topic, water conservation. And for water conservation, I visited the place, the very famous Lakya Dam in Kudremukha. Lakya Dam, located in the state of Karnataka, India, was constructed across the Lakya River in Kudremukha National Park. It serves multiple purposes including water supply, irrigation and hydraulic power generation. The Lakya Dam was also very famous due to the use it the way it was used by the Kudremukha iron ore mining company. They used to use the water which was captivated by the dam to transport iron ore to the processing point, which we will see further in the video. The Lakya Dam's construction started in 1994 and was completed in 2001. It was jointly built by Karnataka government and Kudremukha Iron Ore Company Limited. The dam was designed by the Central Water and Power Research Station of Kudremukha. Let us know some key features. The concrete gravity dam with a height of 116 meter has a reservoir capacity of 6.2 million cubic meters. The catchment area is around 49 square kilometers and the dam was mainly used for two purposes: water conservation and transportation of iron ore. Lakya is a very famous dam. The Lakya Dam is a very famous dam which was used to transport iron ore over hundreds of kilometers to districts of Udupi. The iron ores were converted into slurry using industrial grinders and transported with the help of the captivated water through the rivers, which was then filtered out at the districts of Udupi, where the iron ores were filtered out from the river and the iron was used. The ores were converted into iron. So let us know more. Supplies of water to the town of Karkla, Hebri and surrounding areas provide was done by the Lakya river, and which was mainly taken care for the summers with the help of Lakya dam. To understand this, the Kudremukha forest region is also known as a very spongy region, because during rainy season the forest tends to absorb all the water rather than letting them flow out, and during summer they release very little amounts of water, causing the forest to be evergreen. So the Kudremukha forest range is divided into two types: the wet evergreen and the shola forest region, where the shola forest region is also divided into the shola high grassland region and the shola evergreen forest region. So as you see here, the supplies of water to the towns of Kartla and Heberi and the surrounding areas were taken care. Since the dam was constructed, when the water was absorbed by the during the rainy season, they usually tend to release the water which was getting collected in the Lakya dam, which the water was released into the Lakya river and was being captivated in the reservoir by the Lakya dam. So the Lakya dam also provides drinking water to the population of approximately 1,20,000 people. It's a very crucial dam since its reservoir acts as a container for holding water absorbed by the forest in rainy seasons, and it is correct. As I mentioned, in the rainy season the water is absorbed by the forest and then it is captivated in the dam. This helps the wildlife animals that are present in the national park too. It ensures the availability of water for different activities such as agriculture in the region. The Lakya Dam or the Lakya Dam's water also helps in irrigating agricultural land covering over 12,000 hectares. It boosts the agricultural productivity and supports the cultivation of crops, paddy, coconut, areca, areca nut, or which we call adke in Kannada, and vegetables. It also facilitates the growth of horticulture activities in the region. One of the main reasons why Lakya Dam is very important was because of the continuous iron ore mining. Most of the trees were cut down in the region. But during the Supreme Court ruling, the Kudremukha region was converted into a national park. Now, the Lakya Dam and the river play a key role in helping the forest regrow. There was also a third goal that was achieved during the functioning of the Lakya Dam, which was there was an hydroelectric power generation installed. The installed hydroelectric power generator had the capacity of 2.88 megavolts. It generated renewable energy, clean energy, reducing the dependency on fossil fuels. As I said, grinders were used to grind the iron ore and the water into slurry, and then it was released into the river so that it can transport over many kilometers together. So the power for the factory and the machinery, most of them came from the dam which was situated here. So it was a renewable energy and no fossil fuel was used. Even for the transportation, the trucks or trains weren't used, and it was only the green energy that was used at that time. And even now the dam still acts as a key role in water conservation by holding the water and helping the forest regrow. It is till date still with used to help in irrigation, agriculture, etc. So thus it still plays a key role in the overall energy generation that the region needs. So let's move on. Located within the Kudremukha National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site also is an key part. This part was taken over by the forest rangers officers now, since it has become a national park, and it has been used as a place where you can help our endangered animals such as tigers, black panthers, and a few others such as cheetah, etc., to grow. So it plays a very big key role in the environmental impact, because this forest region is also one of the regions which is a home to the one of the world's most endangered animal, which is the tiger. So measures have been taken to minimize the impact on the biodiversity of the park, since the dam has caused some ecological changes in the area, but still there are many people working towards this, but still the dam still plays a very key role in the growth of the forest. It is also a very famous place for tourism. The scenic beauty of the dam and the surrounding areas attracts tourists and nature enthusiasts. It offers opportunities for boating and fishing activities in the reservoir. Surrounding the hills provide an excellent trekking trails. But please do remember, you need to take permission from the government before going here, which is done through the forest rangers and some organization known as the jungle lodges, which help in these tourisms and etc. There were some challenges main which was faced during maintenance and even now is faced. The regular maintenance required to ensure the dam's structural integrity and safety, and was very difficult. Since it is a very old dam now, the maintenance required is really high. The sedimentation is a challenge that needs to be managed to maintain the reservoir capacity. If you know about the da- dam concept, where after building it, there is the sedimentation effects takes place, where there is a slurry type thing that gets sedated down the reservoir, which is not good for the nature and for the aquatic plants. But still, it is being handled with, because they want to save the Kudremuka region. So, with the help of the dam, and they are working on it a lot. So, it also needs continuous monitoring for the dam's condition to prevent potential risks. Since it is a very old dam, it needs a lot of care. So let's move on. Thus, the Kudremuka Lakya Dam plays a crucial role in water supply, irrigation, and power generation in the region, which is why it is also very important for water conservation, since it helps in the growth of the region and also in generation of green power. It has had a positive impact on the socio-economic development of the surrounding areas. The dam stands as a symbol of sustainable development and responsible use of natural resources. I hope you found the video enjoying.